guys, welcome back to my channel. So another unboxing video. This time we got a package from Maniology. Thank you so much, Maniology, for sending me this package. I'm so excited for this partnership. Yeah, if you guys know anything about stamping, Maniology is that girl. So I did a few videos on my channel about stamping. So Maniology is a stamping company. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'm so excited. Let's see what we got. All right, so let's move this stuff to the side. All right, the first thing that I received was this premium tools for nail artistry. It is like a cleanup brush. This is perfect, so you could clean up the edges and stuff like that. So I got that. This is their sticky base coat. I love this. So you put this on the nail, and so the stamp could really stick to the nail. Got that. And then we have a cotton grabber. Make cleanup a breeze. Clean your nail stamping plates without worry of messing up your new manicure. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so let's open her up. This is like a little pineapple. This is so cute. So basically, you grab a cotton. This is a cotton grabber. So let me grab a little piece of cotton balls right here, and you open this up and you pick it up like that. So when you clean your plate, you don't mess up your nails. This is so cute. Yeah, so then you press it down and you release the cotton or you can pick up the cotton. That is so cute. I love it. It's like a little pineapple. It says Maniology on it. So cute. Love that. All right, so we got some plates here. This is the NP M372 plate, and this is like a flame plate, or it is a flame plate. Look, I was thinking cute. Look, it's so pretty. This is perfect. Let's rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. I love that. Make sure you remove the covering, and then yeah, you guys, you can stamp. I'm so excited to create some content with this, but let me get out the frame so you don't see me. But yeah, super cute. That's the first plate. All right, the next plate, it is NP M350, and this is a like a French tip plate. Let's remove this. Remove the covering for it. And this is so cute. This is so cute. Look how pretty that is. And you can put these on the tips of your nails. These are so pretty. They're flowers. They look like these look like little tiaras right here. They're so cute. You guys, I will have a code down below and on the screen to Adine10 to save 10%. And they also sent me their nail stamping starter kit. They have different starter kits on their website. So if you want to get into stamping, go ahead and head to their website and use Adine10 to save 10%. And you could try any other stamping plates, kits that they have. So I decided to go with like a Valentine's Day theme starter kit because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I decided to go with this one. Let's go ahead and remove the cover. And this one, you see, it has little hearts. It's a really pretty plate. It has hearts and stripes and moons and stars. It's just a really pretty plate for Valentine's Day. And then it comes with instructions on how to use their guide. So I got that. It comes with the scraper. This is such a pretty scraper. It's like an ombre. It's a little ombre scraper. Oh, that is so pretty. Yeah, I love that. Right up my alley with the pink. So I got that. And then it comes with a stamping duo lacquer. So it comes with the red and then the clear. This is so cute. I never seen like a double thing like this. Oh, okay, so it's separate. Got it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. So it comes with the clear and the red. This is the stamping tool right here. This is so cute. I love it. It has a little jelly on there. And then you pick it up at a 45-degree angle. And then you stamp it down. So yeah, super cute. Got this Grimm's Nightfall. This is a metallic stamping polish sets. Beautiful. Why are these so pretty? You guys, look at these. Oh yeah. These colors are right up my alley. Right, I zoomed in a little bit more. This is Mirror. That's pretty. It's like a metallic silver. This one is Soulless. This one's like the gold. This one is Glass Slipper. Oh, this is so pretty. That blue is beautiful. The next one is Wolfish. That purple is pretty. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Okay, Dearest Aurora. This is, oh my God. Y'all gonna get sick of me saying this is pretty because, yeah, they are pretty. Like, these are beautiful colors. I'm so happy I went with this set. And then this one is called Gretel Brittle. Such a cute name. Gretel Brittle. All right. You guys, look how pretty these colors are. These colors are gorgeous. Let's see. Focus. Look how pretty these colors are. They're beautiful colors. Really, really pretty colors. So I got some nail swatches here. So we're going to do some stamping. Stamping. I want to try the red. Let's do, I kind of want to do this one. This one's so pretty. We're going to do some stamping. You put the red on. Okay. Then we're going to scrape it. Oh, I didn't put enough, but that's fine. We're going 45-degree angle. We're going to pick it up. Ooh. Then we're going to stick it down. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Perfect for Valentine's Day, you guys. I definitely picked a great stamping plate for Valentine's Day. Look how pretty that is. So yeah, you don't have to. The good thing about stamping, I said it a million times before, is it saves you time, you guys. It saves you time. You don't have to sit here and draw every single little heart out, you know? You gotta work smarter, not harder, especially if you're taking clients and stuff. Yeah, you could charge a little bit more, but even with this, you could still charge because this is art, okay? This is a technique, so that's really pretty. Let's do another one from this plate. Kind of want to do this one. You guys, and the way you clean your stamping plate, you could use a piece of tape or a lint roller and just pick up the residue. So let's go ahead and do this one. Make sure I get enough gel on there, not gel, polish. Put enough polish on there. We're going to scrape her away. Hopefully, So we're going to pick her up, 45-degree angle, pick up. Oh, that's pretty. Then we're going to, oops, kind of messed up a little bit. Place her down. That's pretty. Kind of messed up because I'm trying to film for 2 different platforms, but you get the idea. Super pretty. And like I said, you see, if you have residue, you're just going to grab a piece of tape and you're going to pick up everything. You see? And she's a brand new. Super cute. So yeah, this is a really pretty plate. I like that one. Let's do some flames. And I'm going to be using Gretel Brittle. So let's go ahead and do some flames. I'm excited. Oh my God, this is so, yes, right up my alley. And you just scrape it, right? 45-degree angle, pick it up. Can you see it? Can you see it? And then we're going to place her down on the nail, roll it on the nail. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at, let's go ahead and try the French tip plate. I'm excited about this one. I'm excited about everything in here. But let's go ahead and do some French tip action over here. I'm gonna use, this one is Soulless, and this is the gold. Let's do one of these striped ones. Do one of the stripes. Let's see. This is a lighter color. You can still see it. Let me see. Can you see that? That's so pretty. It's faint, but you can see it. Especially if you, it's a metallic. So if you put it over a black base, you could definitely be able to see it. This one is Mirror Mirror. Let's do, I kind of want to do this cute little tiara thing up here. And then let's go ahead and scrape her. Then 45-degree angle. This is a little bit, you want to stamp her down, roll it. This one with the butterfly and all that stuff. Okay, so scrape, pick it up. You see it on here. And then you're just going to drop it right there. We're going to roll it. Roll it. Like, that is pretty. Look how pretty. You could just sit here and be creative. And these are all the kind of stamping things that we did today. They're super cute. You could do hearts. There's so many different plates out there, you guys, that you could try. Different themes, different designs. There's so many. So definitely head over to Maniology and use Adine 10 so you could get 10% off your order. And I highly suggest stamping plates. I've been raving about stamping plates for a very long time. So definitely stay tuned because I'm going to be doing actual full sets with all these items that I received. Once again, thank you, Maniology. Don't mind my mess over here, but thank you, Maniology, for sending me this amazing, amazing package. I'm so excited to let my brain and my juices flow and start recording more content with these amazing products. So you guys, once again, head over to maniology.com and I will put my code up here, Adine10, as well as the link down below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.